Access your free language gifts right now, before they expire. Here's what you're getting this month. First, the Asking for Directions Conversation Cheat Sheet. Can you give directions in your target language? If not, then this beginner conversation cheat sheet is for you. You'll learn all the questions and phrases for asking and giving directions. So download it for free right now. Second, the Listening Comprehension course for beginners. How are your listening skills? Take this beginner video course to sharpen them up. Third, can you talk about drinks in your target language? Learn how to say coffee, beer, tea, wine, and much more with this quick vocab bonus. Fourth, how do you say autumn in your target language? Don't know? Access this 1-minute lesson to learn all the autumn-related words and phrases. If you want to learn these words fast, use the free audio slideshow tool inside the lesson. Fifth, the 45 must-know gym words. Words like cardio, bench press, abs, deadlifts, and leg day. Don't skip this lesson. You'll master all the must-know gym words with this next vocabulary lesson. Sixth, free audiobooks. Unlock our huge library of language learning audiobooks. Save them to any device and listen and learn. They're yours to keep forever. And finally, the deal of the month. If you want to finally master the language with lessons by real teachers and our complete language learning program, get 40% off Premium or Premium Plus with the Epic sale. To get your gifts and language